There's 6 nuts that you need to remove from underneath here. Use a 10mm socket. Take those out. Oh, and this one broke off. And just slide that off. Now we're going to remove the emblem to transfer it over. And on the back side, you can take a straight blade screwdriver. There's a clip right here. Just push down on that. Just be careful not to break it. And then one right here. It actually works better if you just take the straight blade screwdriver, just push it like that. And then there's a clip there. You don't have to push that one. Just slide it out. And take the emblem, slide it in like that. And then gently push it in, lock it in place. Now take the grill, very carefully line this up. There's a pin right there and a pin right there, guide pin. It's lined up. Then you can put the nuts back on and snug those down. Good to go.